Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to this session. In this session we are going to learn the remaining 3 harakat, and those harakat are Fathatain, Kasratain and Dammatain. Fathatain is always on the top of the letter and Kasratain is always under the letter. Dammatain is always on the top of the letter. The sound for Fathatain is an. The sound for Kasratain is in. And the sound for Dammatain is un. Awesome! Now let's go to our classroom and start making the sounds for all the Arabic alphabets. Alif, Fathatain, an. Alif, Kasratain, in. Alif, Dammatain, un. Let's read together. An, in, un. Ba, Fathatain, ban. Ba, Kasratain, bin. Ba, Dammatain, bun. Let's read together. Ban, bin, bun. MashaAllah kids, you are doing great. That's how you need to make the sound with the harakat. Let's continue. Ta, Fathatain, tan. Ta, Kasratain, tin. Ta, Dammatain, tun. Let's read together. Tan, tin, tun. Tha, Fathatain, than. Tha, Kasratain, thin. Tha, Dammatain, thun. Let's read together. Than, thin, thun.
Assalamu alaikum, Uncle Naeem. I am here in the class now. I'm sorry I'm late.
It's okay, Sarah. Where is Sana?
Sana is right behind me, Uncle Naeem. She will be joining us soon. Uncle Naeem, I heard the sound for Fathatain, Kasratain and Dammatain. Can I make the sounds for the alphabets?
MashaAllah, Sarah. Yes, you can. So, let's begin.
Jim, Fathatain, jan. Jim, Kasratain, jin. Jim, Dammatain, jun. Uncle Naeem, read with me. Jan, jin, jun. Ha, Fathatain, han. Ha, Kasratain, hin. Ha, Dammatain, hun. Uncle Naeem, read with me. Han, hin, hun. Ha, Fathatain, han. Ha, Kasratain, hin. Ha, Dammatain, hun. Uncle Naeem, let's read it. Han, hin, hun.
Oh, MashaAllah, Sarah. You are doing great and this is beautiful. Okay, so now let's continue and Uncle is going to help you. Let's go. Dal, Fathatain, dan. Dal, Kasratain, din. Dal, Dammatain, dun. Let's read it. Dan, din, dun. Val, Fathatain, dhan. Val, Kasratain, dhin. Val, Dammatain, dhun. Let's read it. Dhan, dhin, dhun. Ra, Fathatain, ran. Ra, Kasratain, rin. Ra, Dammatain, run. Let's do it. Run, rin, run.
Uncle Naeem, look, Sana is here now.
Oh, Sana, welcome to the class. I hope that you know what we are doing today. We did Fathatain, Kasratain and Dammatain. And you know the sounds?
Of course, Uncle Naim. The sound for Fathatain is an. The sound for Kasratain is in. And the sound for Dammatain is un. Yay!
MashaAllah, Sana, you are doing great. So, let's not waste time. Can you read me the next alphabets with all these harakat?
Yes, Uncle Naim, I want to. Zal, Fathatain, Zan. Zal, Kasratain, Zin. Zal, Dammatain, Zun. Let's read it together. Zan, Zin, Zun.
Awesome, Sana. Now, let Uncle read the remaining alphabets. Sin, Fathatain, San. Sin, Kasratain, Sin. Sin, Dammatain, Sun. Let's read it together. San, Sin, Sun. Sheen, Fathatain, Shan. Sheen, Kasratain, Shin. Sheen, Dammatain, Shun. Let's read it together. Shan, Shin, Shun. Sod, Fathatain, Son. Sod, Kasratain, Sin. Sod, Dammatain, Sun. Let's read it together. Sun, Sin, Sun. Dod, Fathatain, Don. Dod, Kasratain, Din. Dod, Dammatain, Dun. Let's read them together. Dun, Din, Dun. Ta, Fathatain, Ton. Ta, Kasratain, Tin. Ta, Dammatain, Tun. Let's read them together. Ton, Tin, Tun. Kids, you're doing great. Uncle is so happy. Let's continue. Dha, Fathatain, Dhan. Dha, Kasratain, Dhin. Dha, Dammatain, Dhun. Let's read them together. Dhan, Dhin, Dhun. Ain, Fathatain, An. Ain, Kasratain, In. Ain, Dammatain, Un. Let's read them together. An, In, Un. Ghain, Fathatain, Ghan. Ghain, Kasratain, Ghin. Ghain, Dammatain, Ghun. Let's read them together. Ghan, Ghin, Ghun. MashaAllah, kids, you're doing great. You see how Uncle is so happy. Fa, Fathatain, Fun. Fa, Kasratain, Fin. Fa, Dammatain, Fun. Let's read them together. Fun, Fin, Fun. Qaf, Fathatain, Qan. Qaf, Kasratain, Qin. Qaf, Dammatain, Qun. Let's read them together. Qan, Qin, Qun. Kaf, Fathatain, Ken. Kaf, Kasratain, Kin. Kaf, Dammatain, Kun. Let's read them together. Ken, Kin, Kun. Lam, Fathatain, Lan. Lam, Kasratain, Lin. Lam, Dammatain, Lun. Let's read them together. Lan, Lin, Lun. Amazing! Are you enjoying the session with Uncle Naim? Let's go! Mim, Fathatain, Man. Mim, Kasratain, Min. Mim, Dammatain, Mun. Let's read them together. Man, Min, Mun. Noon, Fathatain, Nan. Noon, Kasratain, Nin. Noon, Dammatain, Nun. Let's read them together. Nan, nin, nun. Ha fathatain, han. Ha kasratain, hin. Ha dammatain, hun. Let's make the sound together. Han, hin, hun. Wow fathatain, one. Wow kasratain, win. Wow dammatain, wun. Let's make the sound together. One, win, wun. Ya fathatain, yan. Ya kasratain, yin. Ya dammatain, yun. Let's make the sound together. Yan, yin, yun. MashaAllah kids, today we have completed the sounds of all the harakat. Keep watching the videos and keep practicing until you get perfect. Ma salama.